Howdy folks, it's been a really long time since I've done a video, and lots has changed since I have. I'll try to make this a fairly short video. It's been, we moved out to an acreage, out to the country, and as you can tell, it's snowing right now. We're supposed to get 50 plus kilometer an hour winds tonight. If you can see, I don't know how good you can see, lots of this stuff there. That's about an 8-foot tall snowbank. Over there, that's shorter. I've cleared about an acre of this yard with a quad, and it has not gone very good, especially when we get the kinds of winds we're about to get tonight. So yesterday, January 30th, I purchased this. It's a John Deere 3010, 1961, first year production. She's a little on the rough side. I do not know much about it. It had been at a dealership for sale for the last number of months. They had taken it in on trade for a skid steer. It was a Kubota dealership, so I assume it's what they traded it in on was a Kubota. It's got a circulation heater. It is smoking hot right now. It's been plugged in since it was dropped off today here at about noon. These drives are really good shape. They do not know if they're the stock tire size. I haven't looked even. They're 18.4/30. Seems to me, if I remember right, they're the wrong tire size. These are the wrong fenders for a 3110. So, we're going to climb up here, sweep the snow off the seat, and we're going to do cold start. It was only about 10 below yesterday with no wind when I looked at this, showing 42:21.2 for hours, and I know for a fact then that hour meter does work, because yesterday when I looked at it, it was 42:20.9, and they left it running on the truck to get here. So, put the clutch in, and we'll do a cold start here. Start it here right now. Fire it right up. Fire it right up. Run it at 1,000. Temperature's cold. Fuel gauge. Apparently the driver put in 30 liters before he brought it. So, I'm hoping this will be a pretty good tractor. I don't know much about it, like I said. It's not an alternator. And got some links. A few other things. The PTO clutch side is shot. I was told that when I purchased it before I even went to look at it. So we're not concerned about that. The drive clutch works good. But obviously she's a little bit on the rough side. So this is my hope, is that it'll be a decent enough tractor to do the things I need to do for around here. I think it started pretty good. We're down in the -20 range right now. And yeah, so I will maybe post some more video as we get to use it, see how it runs, see what happens. Price was a lot less than they had it listed for online. It had been there for at least 7 months, and I went pretty low and they took the offer. So we'll try it out, and hopefully it runs good. It seems to run pretty good. Idle's pretty good, and I used it a little bit yesterday. We'll go from there. Okay, short video. Hopefully that'll be it, and you might see more of this on this channel. Thanks. Bye.